There will always be a reason why you meet people. Either you need them to change your life or you're the one that will change theirs. What a reflective quote by Angel Flonis Harifa. I'm sure all the guests we invite here fits in the second part of this quote. Namaste and Suswagatam. Welcome to the 20th episode of the session Back to the Roots. Before start with the session, I would like to express my deep gratitude to the respected principal ma'am who believed in me and encouraged me to host this session. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I'm glad to welcome you all to this fantastic session. Thank you all for being here with us on this pleasant afternoon. It's a great pleasure to welcome our today's guest, who is jolly, good humored, jovial, sunny, bright, joyful, and sparkling. Our dearest Prashant. I'm sure everyone's face would have lightened up with beautiful smiles after hearing the guest's name, isn't it? I can see smile on Prashant's face too, and that is making me feel awesome. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Prashant. So,
Thank you,
without any
ma'am.
further delay, I introduce Prashant Marut, an alumnus of the year 2019. In his school life, Prashant was an active student. Prashant always made us proud by participating and winning in various school and inter-school competitions. I have huge list with me of his achievements. So he have achieved second place in Cascade 26 tug of war, second place in volleyball in DSO, first place in Interhouse volleyball tournament, and again first place in inter-house swimming competition, Mahapur Chashak in swimming, then again second place in inter-house shot put, second place in football SRS auction, again second place in 400 relay race, second place in inter-house cricket, special mention in RRS MUN, that is Model United Nations, and first place in Irish Comic Star. He also bagged two trophies for the best player in volleyball and swimming. Amazing. Prashant,
Thank you, ma'am.
congratulations and your achievements. His achievements have not only made us proud but also inspired students in the school. Before starting with the talk, let's watch some glimpses of Prashant's memories in the school, creating a blissful atmosphere. I request Amit sir to play the video, please.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the dreams bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the dreams bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you.
There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain. When I believed in forever, everything would stay the same. Now my heart feels like December when somebody say your name. Cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day, yeah.
Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday, ay, ay. But everything will be alright. Go and raise a glass and say, hey.
Here's to the ones that we've got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Those to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you. Memories bring back you.
There's a times that I remember when I never felt so lost.
Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. But everything will be alright. Go and raise a glass and say, hey, here's to the ones that we've got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you. Do, 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 do.
Mind blowing, mind blowing. Thank you, IT department, for making such stunning video. It was beautiful. So Prashant, let's talk with the talk. Let's start
Yes,
with the
ma'am.
talk. Sorry. Okay. What emotions and feelings you experience while listening about yourself, while watching the video, and to be a part of this talk?
Ma'am, I'm feeling very nostalgic because I got to see many pictures and videos after a very long time. And all the feelings are rushing back in the joy, the the excitement, everything is coming back, ma'am. And I'm very excited and honored to be a part of this session. And I am thanking all the teachers and the staff members who made the video. I'm very thankful, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Prashant. Thank you so much. So now, which field have you chosen?
Ma'am, I'm pursuing BBA, which is Bachelor's in Business Administration. Yes, ma'am.
So
From
you are in
Amity University.
second year of this degree.
No, first year, ma'am. I've just taken admission in the college,
Okay,
university.
that's good. That's good. What are your future plans? What efforts are you taking to fulfill them?
After completing my BBA, I'm planning to go to USA for my master's, which is Master's in Business Administration. And whilst doing that, I'm also writing some stuff for my stand-up comedy. I'm planning to do it side by side with my MBA, and I've started writing on it. I've started making scripts and everything. Yes,
Wow,
ma'am. That's my future plans.
that's great. That's great, Prashant. Excellent. After seeing your passion and interest in acting, I want to share one inspirational story with you and everyone present here with us. With the permission of our respected principal, ma'am. Ma'am, if you can give me permission, I can share one story here.
Go ahead, Deepa.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. I need a PPT presentation here, so I'll present screen here. Just wait. I'm presenting a screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. A boy was born in a middle class family. Because of his stuttering, he suffered from his childhood days. He was he was also bullied and teased because of his look. As a result, he became a timid, withdrawn kid who didn't make many friends. His interest was in science, so he decided to continue his life in this field. One of his teachers said nothing was outstanding about him. I didn't expect him to become a fantastic scientist, but he proved everybody wrong by getting admitted to Oxford University. During this during his days in Oxford, he was falling in love with acting. In the acting field, everyone required speaking abilities, but unfortunately, speaking disorder stopped him. He continues his master's degree in electrical engineering. After doing his master's, he decided to fulfill his dream of becoming an actor. So he enrolled himself in a comedy group, but again, his stammering got in the way. He got rejections from various TV shows, but still, he never stopped believing in himself. He had a great passion for making people laugh, and he knew it. So, he starts creating original comedy sketches. He realizes whenever he plays some character, he can speak fluently. He used it as an inspiration for his acting. He builds a character that made him famous all over the world. The character was a strange, non speaking character. He proved he proved that that you could become one of the world's most loved and respected actors even without a Hollywood face or a heroic body. Today, he is one of the most famous comedian actors in the world. So, can you guess whom I'm talking about, Prashant?
No, ma'am.
Can you
Mr.
guess?
Bean. Mr. Bean.
Yes, you said.
Yes, ma'am. Mr. Bean. With the help
Oh,
of Ashok sir.
oh my goodness. Yes, yes, you're right. You're right, Prashant. I'm talking about Mr. His character is Mr. Bean.
Yes, ma'am.
And yes, you can see here Mr. Rowan Atkinson. So, what do you like most in this story, Prashant?
The he persevered everything. Like he was facing many difficulties, still he didn't give up on his dream. He proved everybody wrong. And the lovable thing about him is that you throw anything at him, ma'am. If any hate, anything, he'll catch up to that and he'll prove everyone wrong that anyone can do anything. I love that
Correct.
about him.
Correct, Prashant. Correct. So, Rowan Atkinson Labs teaches us that to be successful in life, the most important things are hard work, dedication, passion, and never giving up attitude. As you just said, Prashant, never giving
Yes,
up
ma'am.
attitude. Life always
Yes.
rewards those who are willing to keep forward. So,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
story also reminded me the theme of this year for the annual day, Yad Bhavam Tad Bhavati, which means as you think so you become. आप जैसे सोचते हो वैसे बन जाते हो. And this is
Yes,
what we
ma'am.
just seen in this story. Okay, so I'll stop presenting my screen here. So good answer that you told. By with your answer I got the emotion that you are agree with the not giving attitude. You were talking about
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
So awesome. Yes, we'll go further now. uh, we would like to hear about your journey after you left the school.
After I left the school, ma'am, I joined a college named Witty International, and I thought all the teachers here, like our vice principal, ma'am, told us that you will just get this kind of care, the kind of support from school, and after you leave the school or after you leave for college, you will have to do everything for yourself. No one will help you in by like they'll help you, but they'll not go out of their way to help you. And I thought that ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है. Every teacher's job is to help them. So I thought everyone will be, like our teachers here, that will go out
You
of the
thought
way
that
to
in
help us.
school how teachers were helping. You thought in college life also they will help you.
Yes, ma'am. But that was completely different there. I was not interested in anything because the teachers were not engage. They didn't engage that well. Like they came inside the classroom. They taught for 40 minutes and they just left. There was no connection between teacher and student. I I was so bored in class in the chemistry and physics class that I used to bunk and roam the whole school around, and I used to go to washroom. I used to play with friends. Like I used to bunk the class. But here in Ram Ratna, it was completely different. as soon as the lecture were over, like Hindi lecture got over, then we had to run to biology lab for the practicals. We were eager to learn, ma'am. We were eager to be taught. And after leaving school, college life was messed up, ma'am. Nobody would care any bit about anyone. Only we had our friends. That's why we survived. But it was not as nice as Ramratna. Nothing would be as nice as Ramratna. But it was okay. I got to make
So
friends. That was nice.
that's great. I'm really very happy to listen that you like our school and you're the family of the RRS
Yes,
always.
I'm
Yes.
very glad to be
Uh,
the part of this
yes.
family.
Yes, Prashant. What are the activities, co-curricular activities and achievements that you remember from school time? Do you still cherish those moments, memories?
95% of my achievements are from Ramratna only. And other five remaining just little bit outside in my 11th, 12th. Everything ever I have received from anywhere is from Ramratna. Those 2 years were magical, ma'am. I never had any medals, no certificate. Only I had at least 200 participation certificates, and none of them were like first prize, second prize. And after joining here, I got loaded with prizes and medals and trophies. It was like, how could I tell you, ma'am?
Yes.
Everything I ever had from friends, from studies, and from co-curricular activities, the prizes and everything are from Ramratna, ma'am. I am very glad to be a part of this family. And
I
I
w-
the words cannot express the feeling, ma'am.
yes, I can understand because I was also having huge list of your achievements. Just now I read in the introduction
Yes,
part.
ma'am.
So I am also happy about your achievements.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. What do you consider as the strengths of Ramratna International School?
Ma'am, first of all, if we talk about this, we can go a whole day. But I'll tell you all the important things, the most important that I feel. The first main thing is that the bonding it creates with the students. I'll tell you my story, ma'am. I was an average student who couldn't score above 70% before joining Ramratna, and I didn't know much. Like in my previous school, the only thing about computer I knew was MS Paint. We used to draw there, nothing else. And after joining here, I got to learn ICT and other things which were very vast and very knowledgeable. And the interaction, the connection with the teacher, ma'am, I could never, if I would not would be in seven square like my previous school. I did, if I would do there my ninth and tenth also, I think I would fail, ma'am. I completely think that I would fail if I would have been in my previous school. But here, the teachers, the efforts they put, Asha ma'am, Smita ma'am, I still remember, ma'am. Smita ma'am used to always ask me questions, ma'am. Like, uh, if I have prepared for something, like ma'am told this chapter ka question she'll ask. I was completely terrified because I knew 75% of the question would be asked to me. So I would come home, read the whole chapter, make notes, and prepare everything. But the next day, I was so terrified. Ki, what will I answer? I always used to mess up. Then she would tell me that stop doing this, stop doing that, you should do this and that. That helped me a lot, ma'am. Like I remember writing C6H12O6. Like you should write C6, 6 should be beneath the C. And I wrote C raised to 6, H raised to 12, O raised to 6. And that was like these lessons, like I never took it in a wrong way, always took it positively. That's why I was able to score such great marks in my biology 10th exam.
So you
Every
mean to
the
say
teach,
that teachers and students bonding were the strength of
yes, ma'am.
Ramratna International School?
Ma'am, tell me one school whose principal takes lectures with their students. One school, ma'am. None of the schools. I was not even aware who the principal was. After he joined, after him joining 6 months, I came to know that yeah, he is our principal. I used to that someone's father is roaming around the school. I used to think that way. But the principal ma'am took our lectures, and you know the interaction between principal ma'am and our whole class was each lecture. I remember every single detail. Each activity we did with principal ma'am, I remember every single thing, and that's what drives me to be better every day and try to be a better person. That's why.
Yes, very true, Prashant. Very true.
Yes, ma'am.
And thank you for expressing in such a good way.
Thank you,
While
ma'am.
listening, also I was enjoying, and thank you so much. The parents play the most significant role in shaping our lives. What life lessons have your parents given you?
Ma'am, my parents have given me both practical and emotional side of life. Like my dad teaches me like hard work and perseverance and patience and everything. These are so important in life. Like I have seen my father, who he used to go to work even in a fever of 104 degrees Celsius. I could see the love for his work. He used to in 2009 we were hit by a tsunami or storm. I don't know. He still went to work for 3 days when water levels were above waist, and I've seen the level of hard work he does. The in every single thing, most littlest thing he does everything in his power to do his best. And my mom teaches me to be patient, be thoughtful, help others selflessly, and she also teaches me to never do anyone wrong for our own benefit. She always teaches me that, ma'am, and I'm very grateful for these lessons. I always, I look up to them. I look up to them a lot.
Prashant, I think Deepa ma'am lost the connection. Let me just check with them.
Yes, ma'am, no problem. Do you remember Smita, ma'am? C6 Touchwell 06?
Yes, I was laughing when you were narrating that incident. I was actually shocked that what have you written? And then we just showed you how to write the chemical reaction, how to write
Yes,
the chemical
ma'am.
formula. I remember that class very well.
And the questions every single time, ma'am. Every single time. The one thing I did
Okay, Prashant also lost the
that
connection.
chapter.
Prashant, you're not clearly audible. Yeah, now you are there.
Deepa, ma'am, you're on mute.
Thank you, Prashant. And sorry, I just got disconnected, so I rejoined.
It's okay, ma'am.
That was wonderful listening about your parents, and after listening, that feeling came that you're respecting them, and you could express
Yes, ma'am.
yourself so nice things about them. Thank you, Prashant. Now I would request Prashant's mother to come and share her thoughts about Prashant. So Prashant, kindly.
Yes, ma'am. I don't know. She'll say good things about me, but okay. Mama, come talk about me. Say nice things, please.
Prashant, you can't do that.
Arey, when she went with to principal ma'am for my first or second prelim, she was like, अरे क्या होगा इसका इतना कम मार्क्स आ रहा है इसको कुछ नहीं आता है. Every single thing in detail she told every single thing about me was wrong. लाइक क्या करेगा ये, फेल हो जाएगा, इसको पढ़ा ऐसा ऐसा.
But now you're on the way to
Principal-
prove that
but
wrong,
still-
ना?
बट स्टिल प्रिंसिपल मैम वाज लाइक इतना नेगेटिव क्यों बोल रहे हो हो जाएगा, अच्छे से कर लेगा. माय मदर नेवर मैम. कम सिट.
नमस्ते मैम.
नमस्ते मैम, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत यहाँ पर. आपने आपका समय निकाल कर यहाँ पर आने की जो ये किए हैं इसके लिए थैंक यू. आज प्रशांत यहाँ पर सबके सामने, हमने यहाँ पे प्रशांत को इनवाइट किया है टॉक शो में उसके व्यूज थॉट्स जानने के लिए, जहाँ पर प्रिंसिपल मैम, वाइस प्रिंसिपल मैम और कोऑर्डिनेटर्स आर देयर, सब स्टाफ के मेंबर्स हैं, कोई स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो प्रशांत को सुन रहे हैं, प्रशांत से प्रेरणा ले रहे हैं. तो आपको कैसे लग रहा है?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मैम.
Exactly. प्रशांत तो बहुत टेंशन में था, जैसे कि
आप
उसे लगा
प्रशांत के लिए कुछ अच्छा बोलिए ना, वो बहुत राह देख रहा है.
मुझे प्रशांत से ज्यादा आपके लिए और मैम के लिए अच्छा बोलने का मन कर रहा है मैम. स्मिता मैम और जया मैम के लिए तो मैं बहुत ही ज्यादा मतलब दिल से थैंक्स बोलती हूँ.
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू.
नमस्ते मैम, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. यू रिमेम्बर हाउ यू हैड स्पोकन अबाउट प्रशांत जब आप एडमिशन के लिए आए थे?
हाँ
और
मैम, मुझे बिल्कुल बहुत याद है. सबसे पहले तो मैं पीआरओ मैम जो है हमारी, अभी पता नहीं वो है या नहीं, पीआरओ मैम जो थी उनसे मैं बहुत ज्यादा मतलब उनकी बातों से मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था एक्चुअली. तब मैंने डिसाइड किया था कि मैं विद्या मंदिर गई थी एक्चुअली. फिर मैंने रामरत्ना इंटरनेशनल में मैंने बोला कि नहीं यहाँ पे अच्छा लगा मुझे. वहाँ का जो वाइब्स है मैम बहुत ही पॉजिटिव है. मतलब मैं तो जया मैम को एकदम ये बोलने वाली थी कि मैम आप यहीं पे पढ़ा लो, भले हम लोग से फीस जितना भी लेना है आप लो, बट थोड़ा बढ़ा के क्लासेस जो है ना इसको अप्रोच करने की कोशिश करिए कि हम लोग उसको थोड़ा आगे बढ़ाएं. बट वहाँ पे नहीं हो पाया. मेरी तो मतलब मैं प्रशांत को कभी कभी ऐसे भी बोलती हूँ जनरल ए में कि अगर तू इंटरनेशनल में नहीं जाता ना, रामरत्ना में नहीं जाता ना, तो अभी तक पता नहीं शायद कोई गलत ही ट्रैक पकड़ लेता. शायद फ्रेंड सर्कल जो इसका हो रहा था थोड़ा उसकी वजह से मैं टेंशन में थी एक्चुअली. लेकिन प्रशांत ने भी बहुत किया. 9th स्टैंडर्ड में थोड़ा हमें प्रॉब्लम भी हुआ, बट 10th स्टैंडर्ड में अच्छा किया. और स्मिता मैम तो बहुत मेहनत की इसके पीछे. जया मैम का पॉजिटिव जो था इसके प्रति कि हाँ नहीं ये करेगा मैम, आप टेंशन मत लो मैम. एक्चुअली मैं जब 10th का रिजल्ट से पहले मैं जब मिली मैम से, जया मैम से, तो उन्होंने मुझे गले लगाया और बोले आप इतना क्यों नर्वस हो रही हो. तो मुझे लगा कि नहीं ठीक है कर लेगा शायद. प्रशांत ने किया मेहनत, लेकिन स्मिता मैम ने जो किया वो मतलब शायद वो अपने बच्चे को उतना नहीं करती होंगे जितना प्रशांत को किया, ये मैं बोल सकती हूँ.
So credit goes to principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am and all the teachers. And you of course ma'am.
हाँ, आशा मैम जो थी हिंदी की टीचर वो भी बहुत अच्छी. अशोक सर थे वो भी बहुत अच्छा. मतलब मुझे रामरत्ना का जो गेट था ना मैम, वहाँ पे जाते ही ऐसा लगता है कि यहाँ अच्छा ही होगा कुछ. ये एक चीज एक फीलिंग आती है.
यस ऑफ कोर्स यस. हमारे स्कूल में वो वाइब्स है और आपके सपोर्ट से और टीचर्स के सब मेहनत से ये हो पाया और अच्छे रिजल्ट्स आए. नाउ प्रशांत, मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी यहाँ पर कि ये जो मोमेंट है, इस क्षण को और मेमोरेबल बनाने के लिए काइंडली डांस विथ योर मदर. आई एम गोइंग टू प्ले म्यूजिक फ्रॉम हियर फॉर 30 seconds.
मुझे डांस वांस नहीं आता. प्रशांत अच्छा डांस करता है.
प्रशांत आपका हाथ पकड़ के करवा लेगा. प्रशांत
और
Yes, Prashant, I am going to play your music.
हमारी जो होस्ट है वो होस्ट
What, ma'am? The voice
Yes,
is cracking,
Prashant,
ma'am.
I am playing the music.
आओ जाओ. हसना नहीं, इधर आओ. वॉइस कैसा अच्छा होता बताओ ना, आप ही सिखा दो. हेलो. करो ना, वहाँ देख कैसे लोग ये डांस कर.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. आपने यहाँ पर आपके विचार हमारे साथ शेयर किए, आपका समय बिताया, इसलिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
थैंक यू मैम.
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच.
आप बोली मत, आप वही
Amazing. Amazing. It was it is very difficult to express such feelings in words. I was happy to see you both dancing together. Thank you, Prashant. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू मैम.
बहुत बहुत
Lovely
धन्यवाद.
dance
Thank you. Thank you, Prashant. Beautiful dance.
Welcome, ma'am.
Now we'll go further. What learning
ma'am.
from school do you think have helped you to sail smoothly through the challenges of the outside world?
Ma'am, completing everything, the task given on time, like all the things you have been assigned to do on time and not procrastinating. Like I used to do that in 9th standard. I used to procrastinate a lot, like not preparing for tests and not preparing for my exams, not completing my chapters and everything. I've learned that completing everything on time or before time is the best, because then you will then you will be able to enjoy later. Like after completing your work, if you don't have time, then don't play, or don't, just complete your work beforehand, and then you can enjoy and do
Correct.
whatever you want.
Correct. It's very important, and you have given a wonderful message that if we are having any task, we should complete it before time. That's a
Yes, ma'am.
beautiful thing you have shared. Very very nice. Are you in touch with your school friends?
Yes, ma'am.
Which memories do you remember fondly?
uh, Playing volleyball after recess, after lunch break. Like we used to, ma'am, the speed we used to eat in 2 minutes, thepla, chas, everything was inside, and we used to run, and we used to eat so fast. Teachers were assigned for not, like we were not allowed to go after 20 or 30 minutes, I don't remember, but after a certain time only you were allowed to go outside, like from the area where we used to eat our lunch. That was so, like we used to eat so fast everything. If our friend is eating slowly, we used to eat their food also, like jaldi kha, jaldi chalna hai, like that was very. And just when we used to be punished, we used to pray to God that Smita ma'am was okay. Nah. Principal ma'am, she used to go for rounds. No, we used to pray that when we were outside, like in English lecture and maths lecture, principal ma'am doesn't show up. We were we were so, like some of the teachers like Asha ma'am and Sangeeta ma'am used to take us in. If principal ma'am showed up in inside that library area or the lobby, we used to run inside. Even though we were punished, we used to run inside a principal ma'am. So
So that
and
was correct or wrong, Prashant? Why they were doing so?
that was absolutely wrong.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay, Prashant. I guess Hasim is also here in this session.
Oh,
Hasim.
ma'am, you're not scary. Just, the tag of a principal, ma'am. You're never scary, ma'am. We were always, we were not scared. We used to respect you so much that we used to think that our name should not be spoiled in front of you. That was the reason we used to do the things we do.
Okay, Prashant. Is Hasim there in this session?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm here, ma'am.
Hasim, so Prashant, as I came to know that Hasim is your one of the best friends, so I requested Hasim to join, and he is here. So Hasim, kindly unmute and tell me about your friend, how you both became friends, and what you like most about Prashant.
So first of all, good afternoon, everyone, ma'am. Everyone, principal, ma'am, and everyone, ma'am. So how we became friends is like, so our ninth got over, and we were having that night stay. Like every year we used to have night stay, na. So we were in the bus. So he was just sitting alone. So I went over there, like next to him, and I was like, "और भाई तेरा नाम क्या है?" He said Prashant and all that. So we talked for a while, and after that, like, yeah, that was the thing, ma'am.
And from then, from that moment, you became best friends.
Yeah, ma'am. Like,
That's good.
like,
That's good.
yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Hasim, for sharing your views here. Let's see now how much Prashant know about you.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay,
I was
Prashant,
waiting for
I'm
this
just
only.
going to ask 3 questions here. Let's see,
Yes,
as
ma'am.
Hasim shared about you, what you know about Hasim. So tell me, Hasim's favorite sports person here.
Sports. He doesn't watch sports, ma'am. Like
Really?
because yes, ma'am. Because it is like for 50 minutes and for an hour, 4 hours. He doesn't watch
Okay,
sports,
then
but
if he is watching 10 to 15 minutes, who is his best sports person?
he likes football, and I think he likes Messi, ma'am. His favorite sports person is Messi.
Hasim, yes, you're correct, Prashant. He likes Messi and he likes football to watch. Yes.
Yes,
Second
ma'am.
question, tell me Hasim's favorite song.
Ma'am, we we listen to a lot of songs. That is from Travis Scott, Drake, and XSS Tentacion, and Playboy Carti. But I think
Only one
his
song
favorite
yes, favorite one.
Goosebumps and Antidote. These two we listen a lot, but I'll go with
Okay.
Antidote, ma'am.
Yes, there you are, Prashant. Right. So Hasim, can you both please at least one line? Can you both sing for us? Yes,
We are
Hasim.
not good singers.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
we are
yes,
not
I know,
good
I know.
dancers. We are not good singers.
Then too we are going to do it. Yes, Hasim and Prashant, sing at least one line.
Prashant, which line? Which line?
You tell.
That the open
Antidote.
up the window thing.
Okay.
Okay. Let's start now.
Start.
3, 2, 1, start.
Don't you
open
open,
up the
don't you
window.
open up the window? Don't you
Ooh.
let the
The
antidote
antidote.
pop and spill the avino. Going his
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Prashant, you were right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the third question. Tell me about Hasim's dream.
Hasim's dream is all related to money, ma'am. Cars, money, and good house. Foreign, like we are planning on doing a world tour together, like after it.
Okay. Yes. Right,
मेरा top
Prashant.
story क्या आपका?
That's what Hasim also shared with me. You gave all correct answer, Prashant.
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome. Thank you, Hasim.
Thank you,
How
ma'am.
is the outside world different from school, Prashant?
Yes, ma'am. It is very different. In every scenario, it is very different. I told you that the care, the love I used to feel here was not like it was there, but it was absent in a very huge manner.
Yes.
Like teachers were available for us, but like let me give you an example. I was never scared of asking questions or doubts here, like to any teacher. I was never scared or never,
Because
But
of that
after-
bonding with the teacher and students.
Yes, ma'am. But after like leaving the school, everything was different. I was very scared to ask questions to others because never used to attend lectures. First of all, like I used to only attend biology lectures, and in physics and chemistry, always we were not there. So teachers used to ask us questions only, like whenever we were present, and asking doubts and clearing doubts, or even asking what he's teaching in the first place was very annoying and very like there was no connection between us, man. So we were never felt that it is okay to ask questions. It is like you can ask Smita, ma'am. I used to ask anything between like cells chapter. I used to ask ma'am, what is like, what happens in cancer? How can we not treat cancer? Anything, ma'am, out of anywhere. And sometimes I was answered, and sometimes I was answered later after the lecture because I used to ask a lot of questions.
Okay.
So that was very different, ma'am.
So this is the main point you discussed, that in this school you were free and you were very comfortable with the teachers,
Yes, ma'am.
and it is now you're in college, so it is not like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Prashant. So what is your message for your juniors?
Ma'am, all of my juniors, only want to say that you should learn to manage your time. Like I I have a friend from my batch who didn't came to a birthday party of our friend, our mutual friend, because he wanted to do a maths chapter for the 10th time. He didn't come because he wanted to do that again and again. And I think you should enjoy
He
everything.
only wanted to do, or he got any punishment or something like
No,
that?
no, 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 no.
He only
He
wanted
was,
to do.
yes, yes, ma'am. He was doing for the 10th time for himself.
Okay, okay.
And all I want to say is that yes, study is very important, and I never say no to that. But when you get time, and when you get free time, or you have completed your work, don't overdo anything. Don't overstudy, don't overplay, or don't overdo anything. Manage your time perfectly and enjoy every single moment of your life. I want to say this because if I used to play, then I only used to play. Then the 1 month before our 10th boards, I used to only study. Like I was like studying 10 to 12 hours because I didn't study that well in the beginning. It was very hard, ma'am. For the last month in January, it was very difficult for us, and that's what I want to say to the my juniors.
That's a wonderful message you have given, and of course, not only juniors, but we also are going to. I'm also feeling that we should manage time. It's very, very important,
ma'am.
and it will help us further all
Yes,
the
ma'am.
time. It's very important to manage our things in proper
because
time.
because I think that if I become a successful person, if I become whatever I want to be in future, when I look back to my school days, I'll have nothing except I studied. Like if I played, then I only played. I didn't study. Like we should manage our times. That will create a lot of memories for us.
Correct, correct. Absolutely right, Prashant. And thank you for your suggestion, your guidance for the juniors as well as us also. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, did you ever get chance to have breakfast with principal ma'am? How was your experience?
That is a very interesting story. So when I was in Ramratna, the 2 years I didn't get a chance eat breakfast with principal ma'am, and it was it was very I used to wait because my roll number was very when my roll number was coming. My roll number was in between. I think it was 25 or 26, 24, something like that. So after it got to 17 or 18, the students who were in last, like 37, 38, they started complaining that we'll never get a chance only like this. So we started from there, and I didn't get a chance. So I requested ma'am after leaving school, after completing everything. I got a chance. I asked ma'am that, ma'am, will I get a chance to eat breakfast with you on my birthday? That was very special, ma'am. Like the memory is very special to me. And ma'am, she was very busy at that time, but she
So
took
that
time
was
off
big
for me.
surprise for you, na? On your
Yes,
birthday,
ma'am.
she
Yes,
thought,
ma'am.
wow, so nice.
I got a great gift. I spent the whole day there, and we talked. She's always so inspiring, ma'am. That talk was so inspiring. She's always so encouraging, and I really hold that memory in a very special place, ma'am, to my heart.
Yes.
And I till date remember she told me I had a dressing sense like Ranveer Singh.
So you enjoyed that moment and you are going to remember that ever.
Yes, ma'am.
That was great to listening you. Yes. Uh, what is that one thing about school that you miss the most? One thing.
Everything.
Hard to answer, na?
Everything, the teachers, the school itself, the road, the bus, the friends, the bus uncle, didi, bhaiya, everyone was my friend, ma. Whenever I used to, like I was coming to, like whenever dance lecture was there, while coming, whenever I used to meet didi bhaiya there, we used to talk for 5 minutes like this only, kaise ho, sab theek na, aur batao, and everything, like I was very close to everyone. So everything is special about Ram Ratna for me.
Thank you, Prashant. Such a beautiful thoughts you're having and you're sharing with us. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Given a chance, would you want to come back to school for a day?
What question are you asking? What question? I am ready to do anything. I am good in jhadu, pocha. I can do the windows cleaning, and I can, after I'm 18 now, I can drive
No,
also
we are not
bus.
expecting you to work here, there. We just want you to meet us. Come and meet.
Yes, ma'am, definitely, ma'am. I want, like, if it would be possible, I would forever be logged in Ram Ratna, ma'am. Yes, that is my ultimate dream.
Thank you, Prashant. That shows your love towards your school, teachers, and everyone. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
How can alumni contribute to the school? What do you think?
Ma'am, by like the school has already started doing activities such as indulging ourselves, like the pass outs, calling them for man, calling them for activities. Like I was involved in inter school or inter something, like I don't know. I came to the auditorium for volleyball match, like
Yes.
our team versus Surat sir's team. Like everyone was
Yes.
gathered
Yes.
there, and like the school has taken the initiative, and I'm very glad for that. And yes, ma'am, I will always be ready to come to Ramratna anytime for anything. Yes, ma'am. Keshav Srushti event.
You're
Yes.
always welcome. You're always welcome. Yes. What can school do to keep the connection strong with the alumni?
Yes, ma'am. Continue doing whatever you are doing, ma'am. Like talk shows and everything. Like this is very special to me. I thought only
Special to us
toppers.
also, Prashant.
Yes, no, ma'am. I used to think that only toppers are allowed to do talk show here.
No.
Himani came, Yashvi came, and all of our seniors came, Freya and everyone. So I was like, oh, yeah, chance. But yeah,
But when you came to know that you are also invited here, then you
yes,
must
ma'am.
have thought that
Yes,
you
ma'am.
were thinking wrong.
Yes, the
Yes.
call was like I didn't save, I didn't have the number of a PRO, ma'am. She called me up and she told that we are hoping to get to see you in
Yes.
our talk
Nice.
show, and I was like, yes, please. When now? I am ready now. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you for your beautiful thoughts, Prashant. You have shared your views so well. We all enjoyed. That was learning experience also. And now it's time to have some fun.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
I'm having one game to play with you. Let me
Okay.
just present my screen and be prepared, Prashant.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, uh, name of the first activity is Pehchan Kaun. I'm
Okay.
going to show you two childhood pictures of our two staff members. You have to guess who they are and also mention one good thing or one good quality you like most about that person.
Okay, ma'am.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Requesting everyone kindly do not write answers in the chat box. Let him guess. So, Prashant,
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
yes. Guess.
Uh, uh,
Any hint?
Asha ma'am. No, I don't.
You
Wait.
will get 3 chances, huh, Prashant? Yes, you said Asha ma'am, so your answer is wrong.
Usha ma'am.
Oh my God. Yes, correct.
Arey, ma'am,
She's
Usha
a
ma'am.
beautiful,
Wow.
loving,
Yes, ma'am.
and caring. Usha ma'am.
Arey.
Very good played, Prashant. Now
Thank
the
you, ma'am.
second photo, thank you, Usha ma'am, for sharing your photos with us.
Still as gorgeous as ever, ma'am.
Yes, she is so beautiful.
Thank
Thank you,
you,
Usha
Prashant.
ma'am. Now, Prashant, the second photo I am presenting here.
Ma'am, this is very difficult. This is cheating, ma'am. What?
So that's why I have taken this. You have to guess.
Uh, whoever this is, ma'am, their son would be bigger than this, ma'am. What is this? This is cheating.
Ma'am, at least give him a hint whether it's ma'am or sir, because ये बच्चा कुछ
Sir.
Yeah.
Okay,
कोई भी
Amit sir, I'm giving hint. Sir.
Sir. Ashok sir.
Oh my God, you're right, Prashant. Very well played. Yes,
Arey.
he is Ashok sir.
Our hero.
Okay, very good played. Thank you, Ashok sir, for sharing your photos with me. Now, the second activity is Zaban Sambhal Ke. So, in this,
Okay.
you have to say a Hindi tongue twister thrice without taking a pause. Here it is. I'll read for you. तोला राम ताला तोड़कर तेल में तुल गया, तुला हुआ तोला तले के तले हुए तेल में तल गया. This you have to say without pause 3 times. Start.
तोलाराम ताला तोड़कर तेल में तुल गया. तुला हुआ तेला तले के तले हुए तेल में तल गया. तोलाराम ताला तोड़कर तेल में तुल गया. तुला हुआ तोला तले के तले हुए तेल में तल गया. तोलाराम ताला तोड़कर तेल में तुल गया. तुला हुआ तोला तले के तले हुए तेल में तल गया.
Okay, you tried, but you took pauses in between, Prashant.
What is this one?
But Deepa ma'am, the last one, the third attempt was perfect.
Yes, what?
Thank you, Asha ma'am.
Okay,
Uh,
Asha.
Third attempt was perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
Can anyone from the audience try without taking a pause?
May I try, Deepa?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes,
Let Maya go.
yes, please.
तोलाराम ताला तोड़कर तेल में तुल गया, तुला हुआ तोता तले के तले सॉरी तल गया. तोलाराम ताला तोड़कर तेल में तुल गया, तुला हुआ तोला तले के तले हुए तेल में तल गया. तोलाराम ताला तोड़कर तेल में तुल गया, तुला हुआ तोला तले के तेल में तल गया.
Very
Yes.
good try, Maya ma'am. Very good try. But I'm expecting like without any pause. Like you will start, so you will end after you
try?
repeating twice.
Should I try?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, please.
तोलाराम ताला तोड़कर तेल में तुल गया, तुला हुआ तोला तले के तले हुए तेल में तल गया. तोलाराम ताला तोड़कर तेल में तुल गया, तुला हुआ तोला तले के तले हुए तेल में तल गया. तोलाराम ताला तोड़कर तेल में तुल गया, तुला हुआ तोला तले के तले हुए तेल में तल गया.
Absolutely. Wow, mind blowing.
Wow, ma'am.
Very well tried, Smita ma'am. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you everyone. Now the third interesting activity is Suno Gaur Se.
Asha ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Yes. So Prashant, can we move ahead?
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Yes. Third interesting activity is Suno Gaur Se. So here I am
Okay.
going to play an audio clip. You have to
Okay.
listen to it very carefully and guess the actor and the movie. Okay, I am just going to play for you. Listen it. carefully.
Star. हेलो, मैं चंदू सोलंकी बोलता हूँ। देवी प्रसाद जी घर में है?
कौन देवी प्रसाद? ये देवी प्रसाद का घर नहीं है।
क्या? देवी प्रसाद घर में नहीं है? किधर है?
काय रे देवा, देवी का प्रसाद मंदिर में मिलता है, गराज में नहीं।
क्या?
ये स्टार गराज है। मैं गराज का ओनर बाबूराव आपके बोल रहा हूँ। देवी प्रसाद।
Okay, Prashant, you have just listened the clip here, and who had played the role Babu Rao in this clip?
Ma'am, I know him, but I don't know his name.
You can
Like I
check
remember.
it from the audience.
Maya ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Paresh Rawal.
Yes, correct. Who
और
answered this?
पिक्चर का
Maya,
नाम
ma'am?
है हेरा फेरी।
हाँ,
Yes,
वो तो
yes, correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, very well played. And thank you, Prashant. Thank you all the teachers who helped him, who played with him. Thank you so much. As we all know that you are good at mime and acting, Prashant.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
please mime or deliver any dialogue?
I'll show you one thing that I remember. Whenever we were called by Smita ma'am or principal ma'am, Bhaiya used to come, and we used to know from the way he called us. The way he called us outside, like it is okay, some work is there with ma'am. Gaya tu. These two are the only thing, like some work with ma'am and Gaya tu. So I'll show you. See. Bhaiya used to be like, the first one, no, nothing. Prashant, principal ma'am is calling you, or vice principal ma'am is calling you. Simple. Nothing like this. With a smile on his face, I used to ask, Bhaiya, kaise ho? Matlab, the way he used to call us, I used to understand.
Overall, his tone and his body language.
Yeah. The second one was like frightening, ma'am. I used to shake. Like you would be like, Prashant. Prashant,
Only Prashant, nothing else.
nothing else. And the head too.
That's it.
That like we came to know instantly everything, like the shoes, fatavat, like which shoes we are wearing, ID card is there or not. Fatavat, we used to do all these things, and
Oh, that was awesome, Prashant. Thank you so much for sharing such things. That was awesome.
yes, ma'am,
Okay.
thank you.
I would now, talking to you was absolutely learning experience for me, and I had fun playing with you all also. Thank you, Prashant. And now, I would now request our respected principal ma'am to share her views kindly. Ma'am, please.
Ma'am, you're mute.
Ma'am, kindly unmute your device.
Okay. Namaste, Deepa. Namaste to Prashant, all my dear friends, students. Thanks for
ma'am.
this laughter ride. For this honor, I think we have just been laughing and laughing. You don't need to be a stand-up comedian actually to make people laugh. He has been sitting on still making us laugh. You know, this is something which is so distinguishing about Prashant. This is what makes him stand apart and feel proud. But I would also like everybody to know that this is not just a sense of humor that is something appreciable. What is incredible inside this humorous outer appearance or humorous attitude that he carries all the time is a very gentle, sweet soul. He is a wonderful, wonderful boy. Like he said in his message for years, that one must live life. And that is the child that he has kept alive. And I would like that child to always remain alive. and be in touch with us so that you can remind these beautiful messages again and again so that you can also live our life like a child.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Not every child would be so open, so courageous the way Prashant is. He would fearlessly come and say, "Ma'am, I didn't get a chance for the breakfast, so I would like to come and have it." And I remember that he had said that to me. I also remembered that all children couldn't come. So we made a pact. I said, "You will definitely come after leaving the school." And I'm so glad that he came. He's such a sweet boy. As you could make out from that discussion, he really was so cordial, amiable with everybody, not just classmates. He was friends with his seniors. You can see Hasim here, he was friends with his juniors. And like he mentioned, the bus staff, the office staff, he's not making up. This is his real, genuine self. And that is the most beautiful thing about you, Prashant. I also the wonderful memories of our Singapore visit. Kept us awake at night sharing wonderful stories, presenting mimes, acts.
Yes, ma'am.
He observes so well. He knows every little nuances of how teachers behave, what they say. He didn't do my act, but before leaving the school, as he had promised, I think he could do that. And that was very enjoyable. I wish this mind of yours, this beautiful nature of yours, just grows and spreads liveliness, love all around you. And lots of love. I love you, Prashant. May God bless you. And
Yes,
come
ma'am. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
sportsman, actor, dancer. There are lists simply right about Prashant, and he is good at it. The best
Thank
thing
you,
about
ma'am.
he's an RRIS student. And
Yes, ma'am.
God
That
bless
is the best tag I've got. Thank you.
Thank you. And before I take a pause, I would like to appreciate Deepa for the fantastic design of this whole talk show. The way you have used different elements, bringing in memories, bringing in humor, laughter, everything together. It is simply impressive, incredible, brilliant job. Thank you, Deepa, and thank you, Prashant. Once again. Thanks
Thank you, ma'am.
to who have joined us. And my regards to your mom. She is your best.
Yes,
Fantastic.
ma'am.
This is another thing one can see the kind of relationship Prashant shares with his mother. This is simply out of this world. Keep it up. God bless you. Give my
Thank
regards.
you. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you're mute. Deepa, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Now I would request Vice Principal ma'am to kindly share her views.
Hi, Prashant.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, nice to see you. I'm so happy to see you, and I was so excited for this show because I knew that it is going to be Laugh Riot complete, and you really made us laugh like anything. And you used to always do that in school also, in classes also. I remember one incident I would like to share. You were so passionate about playing and entertaining, and sports. PDIP तो किसी हालत में miss नहीं होना चाहिए, no matter what. So I remember he had applied for the position of sports captain, and his interview was due with principal ma'am. And during that time, it was PDIP class. He came and told me, I am not attending interview because I am not going to miss my PDIP class. And I was like, are you gone mad? It's an opportunity you're getting. You should go for interview. You may get selected for sports captain. No, not at all. He did not attend the interview. He rather went for PDIP. Me, Suraj sir, we were all trying to convince him, Prashant, ये opportunity बार-बार नहीं मिलती है. Don't miss it. But no, he wanted to go for PDIP. I mean, really, Prashant, you were so innocent. You were so, you had that naughtiness in you. Always naughty, laughing, talking, making others laugh. But at the same time, it was always loaded with lot of innocence. Therefore,
Yes, ma'am.
we always loved your fun. We never
Yes,
felt that it was too much or awkward or out of the line anywhere. No, never. So कभी-कभी कुछ गलत भी होता था तो we used to know it is out of innocence. You never intended anything wrong or bad. That is the best
Yes.
quality you had. And the way you covered up, I remember when you entered into RRIS, and I think you were in 9th, right? When you started.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
And
ma'am.
you were completely blank. And really, I was worried. Okay, कैसे इसको कैसे
Yes.
मोल्ड करे या कैसे कैम्ब्रिज एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर करे, but the
Yes,
way
ma'am.
you have put in efforts and wonderful results you have brought without missing any of your PDIPs, any events of the school, no matter what, but you balanced it very well. And I really like the way you explained that why it is important to balance out things, because after few
Yes,
years
ma'am.
when you leave the school, I should not only remember कि मैंने सिर्फ पढ़ाई पढ़ाई की स्कूल में और कुछ भी नहीं किया, या
Yes,
मैंने
ma'am.
सिर्फ खेला कूदा और कुछ भी नहीं किया. So that is something which I learned from you today. Thank you so much. And now also today you spoke so well, you gave such matured answers, but still that naughtiness, that innocence is still seen in your answers, in your behavior. I mean, you started with your show, you were very formal. बाद में तुम अपने वापस प्रशांत मरूद फॉर्म में आ गया था, जब तुमने बोला मेरे अंदर से मैं कभी भी आ सकता हूँ, मुझे झाड़ू पोछा करना आता है, ये आता है, वो आता है, पहला आ गया प्रशांत ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में. Really, Prashant, I love you. All the
Thank
best.
you, ma'am.
Take care and keep progressing in life. I really miss you.
Yes, ma'am. I miss you.
Your batch of those 6 students, you, Hridaya, Dhriti, Tisha, Aryan, Anisha, I really had a lot of fun. And I very often I remember those days, the kind of fun I had with you all guys. You all really
Yes,
made
ma'am.
that year very memorable for me. So
Thank you, ma'am.
all the best and keep in touch with us.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for sharing your views and memories with Prashant and every one of us. Thank you. I request Usha ma'am to kindly share her views.
Hi, namaste, Prashant. Hi, how are you?
Namaste, ma'am. I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, whenever I just saw that Back to Roots, Prashant Marut, it brought a smile on my face. It always brings a smile on my face. I never taught you. I think yes, you joined in when you were in 9th grade. But then you have that quality, like everyone says, तुम सबको अपना बना लेते हो. So I think that is the best quality. Like, बस you used to come and talk.
Yes, ma'am.
You start like I mean it's so nice always talking to you, always having fun with you. अपने world tour में I hope you remember you had promised me वर्ल्ड टूर में मुझे भी लेके जाओगे. Remember?
Everyone, ma'am, not you. Everyone.
Yes, you said मैं सब टीचर्स को लेके जाऊंगा. So you had told me this. So please
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
forget this. We are
No,
in
never.
it, okay? And yes, it was really I mean always great knowing you, great talking to you. And today also when you were talking, I mean it really brought I was just smiling, laughing. It was so nice. Still that smile is there on my face, Prashant.
Yes, ma'am.
Always be like this. Always, I mean, don't change.
Yes, ma'am.
Be happy. Make everyone happy. I mean, that is the best quality you have. And world tour bhulna mat.
बिल्कुल
Yeah.
first ticket will come to you only.
Yes, remember I remember we went to Singapore. I remember like when I was arranging for the documents when I was
Yes,
speaking
yes,
to
yes,
the
ma'am.
तो डॉक्यूमेंट्स का कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था तो प्रशांत मैम मैं सिंगापुर जाऊंगा ना आप लेके जाओगे ना मुझे. So now I hope I know you will remember world tour पक्का है. I am there with you.
पक्का.
Okay,
उसके
चलो.
और भी है, और भी plans है.
हाँ,
बाकी
okay. So keep in touch. Bye.
Yes,
Yeah, have a great great future. Whatever
Thank you,
you do, follow your dreams, follow your heart. Be like this. God bless
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.
Thank you, Usha ma'am. Thank you so much. If anyone wants to share their views, they can unmute themselves and speak with Prashant.
Namaste, Prashant.
नमस्ते मैम.
Yes, Asha ma'am.
कैसे हो?
ठीक हूँ मैम.
ओके आज प्रशांत को जब मैंने शुरू में देखा सेशन के मुझे लगा प्रशांत थोड़ा बदल गया है. मैं क्या बदला, सिर्फ हेयर स्टाइल थोड़ी सी चेंज हो गई है लेकिन बिहेवियर वैसे का वैसा ही है प्रशांत आपका अभी भी.
सही है.
ये पूरे सेशन में मैं इतना हंस रही थी. एक्चुअली ये जो बैक टू रूट जो सेशन है ना ये आप लोगों के लिए नहीं हमारी भी यादें ताजा हो जाती हैं इसमें.
हाँ.
दीपा मैम इनके क्लास में एंट्री करने से पहले क्योंकि संगीता मैम की क्लास खत्म होती थी फिर मेरी क्लास की मतलब मेरा हिंदी का क्लास होता था. मैं इनसे रिक्वेस्ट कर प्लीज 5 मिनट मुझे गुस्सा होने दो. बाद में मैं स्माइल कर दूंगी. प्लीज 5 मिनट. ये मुझे गुस्सा होने देते ही नहीं थे. बहुत बहुत हंसी आती थी. और प्रशांत होमवर्क कहाँ है? यस मैम देता हूँ. पूरा क्लास दे के हो जाता था
फिर ये एंड में स्टाफ रूम में आके देता था, वो भी आधा, मैम मैंने आधा ही किया है। Seriously, बहुत यादें हैं इस क्लास के साथ। ओके प्रशांत, फ्यूचर के लिए ढेर सारी
Thank you, ma'am.
शुभकामनाएं, ऐसे स्माइल। और आज तो तुमने मेरी एक्टिंग भी नहीं की टीचर्स डे
अरे
पे हर
कर
समय।
चाहते हो कर दूं?
नहीं 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 नहीं।
Thank you,
और
आशा
दीपा
मैम, thank you.
आज का सेशन बहुत अच्छा था। आज स्माइली वेडनेसडे है और ये सेशन में 3 बजे से जैसे ये सत्र शुरू हुआ तब से मेरे चेहरे पे इतनी स्माइल है, एंड तक अभी तक स्माइल ही है, अब ये दर्द हो रहा है। ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट प्रशांत।
Thank you, ma'am.
All because of Prashant. Yes, thank you, Asha ma'am. Thank you. Anyone else want to share?
Deepa ma'am,
Yes.
today's
Yes, Shailen
session
ma'am,
was
please.
amazing. This was perhaps one of the best sessions of Back to the Roots, and I must say it was a combination of two great performers and entertainers. You know, even you are a performer. You dance very well. You sing very well. And Prashant, I did not interact with you much because I joined, and after a few months, I guess we had organized a farewell for you all. And I
Yes, ma'am.
remember I had composed a song then, and after that you came up to me and said, "मैम बहुत इमोशनल सा गाना लिखा आपने, कुछ ना ऐसे रैप वैप सा लिखना चाहिए था आपको." And I just looked at him and I was like, "Okay, everyone is in tears. What is wrong with this one?" And then I laughed so much later. So this was, I guess, my only memory with you, and it's an amazing one. It's a funny one. So.
Yes.
Thank you, Prashant. All the
Thank
best.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Anyone else?
Hello, hello. Can I speak? Hello.
Sahil?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Namaste.
Sahil.
Yeah, ma'am. Namaste
Namaste,
to all
Sahil.
of them, to Deepa ma'am, Smita ma'am, and to all of them who I can see on the screen and also others. I'll keep it very crisp because there are a lot of people to speak that want to express themselves for Prashant. But talking about Prashant, I'll thank him from my bottom of the heart to bring those jolly moments while some essential years of my schooling, like those 9th and 10th grades. I didn't think I would have spent those years more joyful than if Prashant was not there. And yeah, man, I just hope you do very great in future and you reach the limits that you have seen by yourself, and just believe in yourself, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sahil.
Thank you, Sahil, for expressing yourself. Thank you.
Deepa, I think Divya wants to speak.
Yeah, he wants to.
Yes,
he
Divya,
raises
please
his hand
unmute
as well
yourself.
earlier.
Divya?
Very good afternoon to all the teachers. Namaste to Principal Ma'am, Deepa Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, and all the respected guests. I have been waiting since a long time. I raised my hand. I tried to.
Oh,
unmute
I'm so
myself.
sorry.
But feeling about Prashant, it made us actually really wonder that it has been a great time spent with him during the school days. Also, talking about his dedication, I've already mentioned everything, most of the things through the message. So I would like and appreciate Prashant.
Divya, you're not audible. Can
Divya,
you
your
raise
voice
your
is breaking in between.
I'm really sorry. It might be due to weak internet connection.
You are not audible clearly. Prashant,
Am
can
I
you hear
audible
him?
Little bit, ma'am, but yeah.
Okay. Okay, Divya, continue.
Okay. Am I audible now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so Prashant, it's been really great being around you, and since all the teachers already mentioned that you bring a smile to their face, and trust me, bro, it's really true, and I will always cherish the memories spent and time spent with you and all our classmates. So thank you for being there around us, and thank you for the reason of a smile on our faces.
Thank you. See, he's always serious, ma'am. He's never like he's appreciating me, but I still feel he's lecturing me. Thank you.
Yes, but thank you, Divya. He also expressed his feeling towards you.
I would like
Thank you,
to
Divya.
say something. I would like to add, Divya, during school days, Prashant used to come and ask me also, ma'am, why Divya is always so serious? Why he always wants to teach me something?
Prashant, everyone is having different personality. So this was
Yes,
his
ma'am.
way to express.
Yes, ma'am.
Like Prashant said about balancing, na, there have to be different temperaments to balance each other.
Yes, yes,
Absolutely
ma'am.
right. Yes, ma'am.
Right, ma'am. Very true. Correct.
So Divya, this was like a true friend that you have spoken, and Sahil, we are so fortunate to have children like you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Ridya. Ridya, you can unmute yourself. She has raised her hand.
Namaste everyone. Namaste Prashant. I
Namaste.
would like
Namaste.
to say that even though Prashant joined the school late in 9th grade, but still he managed to connect with everyone so easily. He was always down to earth, a humble and a friendly person. And we have made so many memories. We used to have a lot of fun in biology classes, especially with Smita ma'am also. And I wish him all the best for his future endeavors. All the best, Prashant.
Thank you. Thank you, Ridya.
Thank you, Ridya. Thank you so much. I guess we should wind up now. And I thank you everyone for listening and be patient throughout the session. Thank you, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, and for giving me chance and supporting me. Thank you, Prashant, for sharing your views, thoughts so nicely. That
Thank you,
was
ma'am.
fantastic time I had with you. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
ma'am. Me too.
Wish you a very healthy, happy, and bright future. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, ma'am.
Thank you,
ma'am.
everyone.
Thank you, Prashant and Deepa. You made our day. You know, it's been long time we have laughed. You know, we have laughed and we have enjoyed it.
When I saw Prashant's name,
Refreshing today. It was so refreshing today. Thank you. Wonderful show.
Thank you,
Wonderful
thank you.
answers. Prashant, you entertained us a lot. And Deepa,
Thank you, ma'am.
excellent. Well done. It was too good.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
ma'am.
With your guidance always. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Deepa, this
Thank
was
you, ma'am.
fantastic. Thanks to Prashant for being himself, for making
Ma'am,
us.
your voice is breaking.
Oh, okay. So I was saying that this was so beautifully planned. Thanks to you, Deepa. It was creative ideas of yours which have made this a very memorable talk show. Thanks to Prashant for being himself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
And
Thank
yes,
you, Prashant.
just the 2 years that you have spent, I think you created more memories than those classmates of yours who have been in the school for 8 years. So living the moment is
Thank you, ma'am.
is exemplified. May God bless
Yes,
you.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Deepa, congratulations. Very well done.
Thank you,
Superb.
ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
And Prashant, I have told.
Yes, yes. You don't stress us. We'll go. Don't worry.
He's managing properly, as you said. Thank you, Prashant. I'm going to
Thank you.
remember that we should manage everything properly. It
Yes,
should be
ma'am.
balanced.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you,
God
everyone.
bless you, Prashant.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Had a great time. Bye.
Thank you.
That's